the Spotty Dotty Show.
On this video, I'll be showing you 3 easy steps on how to make a bunny face paint. Let's do this. Step number 1. Let's apply all the pink that we need. Now, it can also be blue, yellow, purple, but my bunny will be pink. So, grab a sponge. Now, if you don't have face paint products, then you can possibly use a blush or lipstick, anything like that. But I'll be using face paint. We're going to start with the cheeks. Just apply a little bit or a lot of pink in a circular motion on one cheek and then the other cheek. Kind of like that. Then we move along, go to the nose, pink nose. And we're going to do the ears. Rosy ears, rosy cheeks, and rosy nose. So I'm just dabbing with the sponge. And I'm also going to apply some rosy paint on the bottom lip. Like I said, you could be doing this with the lipstick, just smearing around, or the blush. Step number 2. Now we're going to apply all the white. Now, if you don't have face paint, I'm thinking you can possibly use an eyeliner, a white eyeliner, or any white makeup, a white concealer that you may have. But face paint is the best for things like this. And I'm also applying with a sponge. And we're going to start creating a little circular motion here for the muzzle of the bunny. Just kind of right on top of your lip. And you can also paint the upper lip, all white. Now we're going to apply a little bit of a little beard here and just dab some white. And now I'm actually going to grab a brush because I want to have more control when I paint the ears. So I'm going to place the white next to the pink, 2 lines next to the pink. So pretty much almost like outlining the pink on the ear, just like that. I'm going a little bit at an angle, and I'll do that on both sides. Now the bunny ears are very long, but I don't have a forehead big enough. But I actually moved my bangs to the side so you can see it. Now what I'll do is I'll make the ears fold. So I'll create an illusion that the ears are folding and they're actually really big. So what I will do is I'll continue with the inner white, the one in the middle, and I'm going to continue to go all the way around and fold it as if it's droopy. I'll kind of overlap the other side. You see? Just went all the way up and then I curved down. Just like that. Next, we're going to paint the teeth. So you're going to actually paint on your bottom lip. I want to make 2 diagonal lines, so they're not completely straight, not completely vertical. Diagonal lines on right in the middle of your lower lip. Color it in. And then last but not least, just a little white highlight right on top of the nose. Step number 3. Now it's time for details. We're going to bring everything together and make it look nice. So using black, or you can use in a brush, or you can use an eyeliner, an eye pencil, something for you to finish your makeup. So I'm going to get started with the muzzle over here. I'm going to add a few hairs, and so just to make it easy, it doesn't have to be a circle. It could just be a wiggly lines, just to give the idea of hair. And then one line right in the middle. And it's going to split the bottom. And color it in. Then let's add a few little dots around, just kind of scattered. Now let's define the teeth. We're just going to outline it. And then a line goes right in the middle to separate them. Now let's give some hair to the chin here, to the beard. Then we're going to outline the ears. Just go around. You have the option just to make a straight line, or you can continue with the same strokes that you're using around the muzzle and the chin here. You can do the same kind, like lines. I feel like it's a little more forgiving because it doesn't have to be so perfect. In the very last detail, I'll actually extend my eyelashes by adding 2 really big eyelashes on the side of my eyes. Just like that. I think it's cute. There you go. I hope you could follow those 3 easy steps. Now, for just an icing, a little cherry on top, you can always add some glitter. It makes everything more fun. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Stay tuned for more, and happy Easter!
Please like and subscribe and stay creative.